Hello students, welcome to zoology class. This is Akmal Hussain, lecturer biology, Square High School and College. Now I am going to take a biology class of standard 10 chapter 5. Today's topic is use of chemicals in food preservation. Food preservation. What is food preservation? Food preservation is a process by which rotting of food can be resisted. Food preservation prevents the rotting of food by bacteria, fungal infection, or the oxidation of fats. Fish drying, salted hilsa, pickle, cooling by ice, fish schedule, etc. are customary means of food preservation. Use of commercial chemicals in food preservation. Nowadays, canning and smoking process are also used for food preserving. Approved chemicals: sodium nitrate, sodium chloride, calcium carbonate, sulfur dioxide, sodium bisulfate, sodium benzoate, sorbate, etc. are used as approved chemicals. Nowadays, various harmful and unhealthy chemicals and colors are used as adulterant. Commercial colors, antibiotics, chemical substances, insecticides, pesticides, formalin, heavy metals, etc. are adulterant of food. The cattle, fishes, poultry animals, etc., which are fed the unapproved adulterant food are threatening to human life and health. Some harmful effects of health risks. Nowadays, formalin is popular and it is used to prevent the rotting of fish, meat, etc. Research has found that formalin forms a compound within the cell of the fishes. Even after frequent washing, it remains within the fish body. It enters the human body with the cooked food. These poisonous compounds are the cause of complex disease, disease symptoms and may even cause some types of cancers. Some adulterants, sources and remedy. Number 1, antibiotics used in fish and cattle food, stores in animals body. Only drugs approved by registered physician should be used. Number 2, heavy metals, inedible components used in food and cattle food, stores in animal body. Avoid using inedible components such as waste product of tannery, coal, soil, feces of animals. Number 3, commercial colors. Unapproved colors used in industries manufacturing ice cream, artificial juice, color drinks, producing sweet, meat shop, etc. Avoid using inedible components such as waste product of tannery coal soil, feces of animals. Formalin. You know, nowadays formalin is mostly used in fishes to prevent it from rotting, mainly used to preserve dead bodies in the morgue, unapproved used for the preservation of fish, fruits, milk, etc. Avoid using formalin. Number 5, used as pesticide in vegetables production, but its poisonous effect exists in many cases. Unapproved use of DDT in dry fish. After expiry of the effect of poisonous chemicals, vegetables should be sold, not to use DDT in dry fish. Number 6, chemical substances. Excessive and unapproved use of chemical substances to ripen fruits and tomato. Excessive use of sorbet in soft drinks and energy drinks allow the fruits to ripe naturally. Discourage the use of carbide. Use of suitable amount of sorbet. Microbes. At the time of production and preparation of food, microbes can get mixed with the food. Remedy: be ensured of biosecurity. Thank you.